Hello, I am Amit from WPA Expo. Today I am going to show you how you can create or customize a news magazine theme by using the PostText plugin. So this is the default WordPress theme which is 2021. Now I am going to customize it, and after the customization this simple looking website will look like this one. So let's start the customization by installing the PostText Gutenberg post blocks. First of all, we have to install PostText to use it. To install the plugin, go to the plugin section and click on add new. Now you can search for PostText. Click on install now. After the installation, we have to activate it. Now the PostText is installed and activated, so we can use it now. Let's start by creating a customized home page. Go to the page section and click on add new. Give a name to the page. Now from the page section we need to change the template. Select from default template to PostText template. Now click on block library. Here you can see some starter packs. You can choose any of them. For now we are choosing the magazine layout. So the magazine layout from the starter packs is added to our page, and now we can publish it. But when we go to the front end, we can see that nothing changed because this customized page is not set as home page yet. So we need to go to the theme customization, home page setting, and select a static page. We have to select the page we have just created. Now publish. So the home page is changed now. After creating the home page, it is still not an idle news magazine site because we also need to customize the category pages. And with the archive builder of PostText, we can create any kind of archive pages including categories, tags, and author pages. For that we need to create archive page template. Now first of all we need to turn on the builder add-on. Then go to builder section and click on add new builder. Give a name to the builder template. Now you can select all archive pages, all author pages, all date pages, search result, all category pages, and all post tag pages. We can even create specific template for specific author pages, specific category pages, and specific tag pages. Then click on create template and save and edit template. Now first of all we need to add the archive title block. Then we can add single or multiple post blocks. For example, I am adding the PostGrid 1 block. Now we can publish the archive template. So here you can see that all the category are the same as the archive template we have just created, and the author pages are also same. Now we should add a logo to complete this site. Now you can see that the header width and the post text container width is not matching, so we should change that. You can do that from the post text settings. So now the container width is matching with the header, but the category width is not matching, so we should do that. For that we should edit the builder, and we can edit the archive builder, and we can decrease or increase it. For this instance we can increase it. So now the container of all archive pages and header are same, and also the home page container is also same as the header. Now the news magazine site is completed with header, logo, and unique looking home page, grid layout, archive pages. Now we can also customize it according to our need. Let's take a look at the customization. As you can see that the home page is the combination of multiple blocks, and you can customize all the blocks. To customize a block you have to select it, then you can customize it from the setting section. But instead doing manual customization, you can select all pre-made layout and designs. Let me show you. You can select any of them, or you can also import from here. Now let me show you the settings section. I will start with the advanced query builder. Quick query is the main feature of advanced query builder. By using it we can sort this post by related post, sticky post, most comments, most popular, random post, latest post, oldest post, and alphabetical ascending and alphabetical descending order. Then we can select post or page for this block, and we can select taxonomy as category or post tag or any custom post type if you have any. For example, I am selecting category, and as a taxonomy value I am adding fashion, so that the posts from fashion category are showing here now. So we can make these changes by click on updating. Now let's take a look at the general setting, where we can increase or decrease the column gap or adjust the column height. Then we can turn on or turn off heading, title, excerpt, category, meta, and read more. And these settings are accessible for all these blocks, and we also get the customization options. Now I will customize this block and show you the image setting. We can change the size of these images, then we can add some animation. You can choose any of them. Then we can control the width, image spacing, and adjust height of these images, and add grayscale. At last we can add overlay. Now I will show you the filtering option. So with this filtering option we can filter this post by category and tag. We can select single or multiple category or tag. So these are the category. Now we can update and check this. So this is the all category: entertainment and fashion and food. So users can filter by this category without reloading the whole page. Here you can see that. So that is how the filtering works. Now I will show you the pagination option. You can choose from 3 pagination, which are load more, navigation and numeric pagination. Let me show you an example of load more. So if we use the load more pagination, the post will continuously increasing. And let me switch to the numeric pagination again. You can go to one page to another page with the numeric pagination. So this is the completion of the customization of news magazine site. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching it.